There is something irresistible about the aroma of roasted garlic. It is so captivating with its powerful notes, that it has long been used as a flavor booster in curries, stir-fries, pizza toppings, pastas, meat preparations, dips, you name it. It has the power to instantly liven up any dish and treat some of the most common ailments. While garlic is a common ingredient in every kitchen, in the ancient times, it was highly valued for its numerous health-benefiting properties, which are still followed in many cultures today. Our ancestors have used it as a bug repellent, medieval Europe against plague, and the Egyptians would even bury it along with their dead. Some benefits of garlic are credited to the presence of the sulfur-containing compound allicin, found in fresh, crushed or chewed garlic, due to which it has antibacterial and antifungal properties. Some startling claims mention that it may help prevent some forms of cancer too. The health benefits of garlic are aplenty. Garlic is a part of the onion family, and the bulb of this herb typically consists of 10 to 20 smaller sections called the cloves. Each small clove is a powerhouse of flavor as well as medicinal properties. Every 100 grams of garlic will serve you with close to 150 calories, 33 grams of carbs, 6.36 grams of protein. Garlic is also enriched with vitamin B1, B2, B3, B6, folate, vitamin C, calcium, iron, magnesium, manganese, phosphorus, potassium, sodium and zinc. Here are 7 benefits of garlic you may not have known. 1. The blood purifier. Tired of covering up those zits with concealer every morning? It's time to tackle the root cause of acne by purifying your blood from inside to get healthy skin on the outside. Take 2 cloves of raw garlic with some warm water every day, early in the morning, and consume a lot of water the entire day. If you're looking to shed some pounds, squeeze the juice of half a lemon in a glass of lukewarm water and have it with 2 cloves of garlic in the mornings. Garlic will help to cleanse your system and flush out toxins. 2. Cold and flu. Garlic is going to provide you relief from that stubborn cold and flu. Yes, they absolutely love you and never want to leave. Taking 2 to 3 cloves of raw or cooked garlic a day, or sipping some garlic tea, is not only going to relieve a stuffed nose and cure the cold, but also build your immunity against these frequent visitors over time. According to Dr. Shikha Sharma, Delhi-based health and wellness expert, and founder of Nutritional, says, one of the earliest uses of garlic was by meat eaters because it was believed that meat could cause infection which garlic could fight off from the body. More commonly used by laborers who are exposed to infections and disease-friendly environments till recently. Its plethora of health benefits has made white-collar workers also take to it. She added, garlic can be added to hot stews, broths and soups to fight sinusitis, cold and flu. And garlic is best had in its raw state. 3. Prevention of heart disease. Consuming garlic on a daily basis helps to lower cholesterol levels because of the antioxidant properties of allicin. It is also immensely beneficial to regulate blood pressure and blood sugar levels. It is essential to remember that the sulfur-containing compound allicin tends to lose its medicinal properties when garlic is cooked whole. It is imperative to consume garlic raw or semi-cooked to derive any of its benefits. 4. Antibacterial and antiparasitic. Garlic is one of the best-kept medicinal treasures of the past era. It has been used as an antibiotic to treat bacterial, fungal and parasitic infections for the last 7,000 years. Studies suggest diluted garlic extract helps children with tapeworm infections. A garlic-based mouthwash may not sound like fresh, minty breath, but a very small quantity of its extracts is sufficient to ward off cavity-causing bacteria. 5. Cancer prevention. Several studies have indicated an association between daily consumption of garlic and prevention of stomach and colorectal cancers. It is said to strengthen the immunity of the body against cancer. 6. For skin and hair. The invigorating properties of garlic protect the skin from the effect of free radicals and slow down the depletion of collagen, which leads to loss of elasticity in aging skin. Applied topically, garlic does wonders to skin infected with fungal infections and provides relief from skin ailments like eczema. It is also an effective remedy for fungal infections like athlete's foot and ringworms. All of us know about the wonders of onion for hair, but its brother, garlic, is no less of a hero for your thinning mane. Well, it's surprise time. Rubbing crushed garlic extract on your scalp or massaging with garlic-infused oil is known to prevent and even reverse hair loss. 7. Splinters. Many of garlic's astounding uses were forgotten in the folds of time, but users still vouch for the lesser-known benefits. One of them is against stubborn splinters. Place a piece of cut garlic over the splinter cut and cover with a bandage and voila, bye-bye splinter. Did you ever try garlic for health purpose? Do you think it is helpful for many injuries? Please, let us know in the comments below. We would like to really hear your opinion. If you have found this video helpful, please like this video. It really means a lot to us. And if you think it might help one of your friends, don't be shy and share this video with them as well. That way, we all can help people we care about to live happier life. And if you didn't do so yet, make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon to receive more informational videos that will improve your health and lifestyle. Thank you for watching this benefits of garlic water video, and we will see you on our next video. Bye bye.